Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Learn how to activate background videos on Spotify with this quick and straightforward tutorial. Let's dive right in. Currently, I have a song playing, and I'm aware that this particular track doesn't have a background video. However, if I navigate to a playlist, you'll notice a captivating video playing in the background. If your Spotify lacks this feature, there are two possible reasons. First, as mentioned earlier, some songs simply don't have background videos. Alternatively, if you're certain a song should have one, there might be an issue with your settings. To address this, head to the homepage, click on the settings icon, navigate to playback, scroll down to the bottom, and locate the canvas section. Enable display short looping visuals on tracks to enjoy background videos on compatible songs. If, for instance, you disable the option, the video promptly disappears. Upon re-enabling it, the video reappears instantly. Therefore, it's crucial to ensure that the Canvas Display Short Looping Visuals feature is enabled to enjoy the background video. That wraps up the tutorial on how to turn on background video in Spotify. If this information was helpful, feel free to share your feedback in the comments. I hope this video has assisted you, and I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial.